If you want to uninstall Adobe Photoshop 2026 from Windows, the best and safest way is usually through the Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop app. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps, and I'll also show you the important preference option you should pay attention to before you remove Photoshop. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, click the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Then type Creative Cloud into the search bar. When you see the Adobe Creative Cloud app appear, open it. This is the main hub for managing your Adobe apps, including installing, updating, and uninstalling Photoshop. Once Creative Cloud opens, look at the top left corner and click the Apps tab. After that, in the sidebar, select All Apps. This will show you a full list of everything currently installed through your Adobe account. Now scroll through the list until you find Adobe Photoshop 2026. Depending on how many Adobe apps you have installed, it may be a little lower down in the list, so take your time and locate the correct version. When you find Photoshop 2026, look to the right side of that row. You should see an Open button, and next to it, a three-dot menu. Click the three horizontal dots to open the Options menu. From there, choose Uninstall. At this point, Adobe will ask you an important question about your preferences. This step matters because it determines whether Photoshop is removed completely or whether some of your personal settings are preserved. If you want a completely fresh start, or if you're uninstalling Photoshop because it has become buggy or corrupted, choose Remove. This will clear out your preferences so that when you reinstall later, you start clean. If you plan to reinstall Photoshop later and you want to keep your custom brushes, workspaces, and keyboard shortcuts, choose Keep instead. This is the better option if you just want to temporarily remove the app without losing your personalized setup. After you make your choice, confirm the uninstall process and let Adobe finish removing Photoshop 2026 from your Windows computer. Depending on your system, this may take a moment, so just wait for it to complete. And that's it. Photoshop 2026 should now be uninstalled from Windows using the Creative Cloud Desktop app. If you wanted the cleanest method possible, this is the one I recommend because it removes the app the way Adobe intends. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.